The electricity program at San Diego City College provides you with skills needed for success in the electrical trades. Our comprehensive curriculum includes hands-on training in installing, maintaining, and troubleshooting electrical systems in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. For example, you'll learn how to cut and thread rigid metallic conduit and how to bend and install electrical metallic tubing. You'll learn how to adhere to the National Electric Code and read residential and commercial blueprints. You'll also learn how to apply system diagnostics in various construction applications and how to install and troubleshoot commercial and industrial motor controls. Our program prepares you for various careers, including electrician, electric lineman, and maintenance electrician. Visit our website to learn more and enroll today. I'm eager to help you power up your future.